I'm assuming it is a question paper. So the question paper came to me, and I already know the format of the paper. What I do is, you may want to note down those who have notebooks with you. First thing I do is, I don't even look at the question paper. I look down, but I keep my eyes closed and take 3 deep breaths with positive reinforcement. What do I say is, I know everything. I will do very good today. I have studied the best. These 3 positive things you say to yourself, and then open your eyes and rub the pituitary gland activation point. And then one time I will do concentration. Maybe 2 times I do. While I am doing this, my tongue is touching the palate. And you might be thinking, how will you do this in the examination hall? What will people think? Believe me, the moment question paper is in somebody's hand, they are all in panic mode. They start looking, nobody cares where the world is. Even if there is a fire outside, they won't run for it. In the very few minutes, 5 minutes, nobody knows after the question is, oh my God, what do I do now? They start looking at this. So at that moment, if you can step back and just do these few things, you have conquered half of the things already. Believe me. Okay? Now with that, if you are a religious person, you think of your God or a Guru, and maybe you can chant Omkar if you want. But these 2-3 minutes in the beginning will save the 3 hours, and you can get done before time. And then you look at the easiest questions first of all, the shortest questions. For example, filling the blanks or multiple choice. Go to that, solve that, and then go to the short answers. And whatever you know, just do that and leave space for what you don't know. Because in the beginning, don't spend time on trying to recall what you don't know. First, use the time to finish whatever you know. Many times it happens, you knew something, but it was in the end, you could not do it. And you spend time on figuring out something which you did not do, did not know. It happens, right? So go straight to the ones which you already know, answer them, and then come back.